Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Huda new Nude palette. I know I owe you guys a Get Ready With Me video. I totally will, as well as a red hair upkeep video. Those will all be coming up. But I wanted to get this out real quick. I did pick mine up during the Sephora VIB sale, so I paid around $50, which is about normal for a high-end palette. I will say right off the bat, I think $65 is way too steep. That's why last year when I got the Desert what was it? The Desert Rose, Desert Dusk, something? I forgot. Desert Dusk, I believe. I got it also during the sale. I just think $65 for a palette is way too much. You do get a mirror. This is the shades. They are stunning. They do perform very well. The mattes don't go as deep as I wish they did, but I'm sure if you're a makeup lover, you got those shades, so it's not that big of a deal. But again, for $65, putting it out there, gotta be honest. These shimmers are amazing. The ones with the white, at first I was like, why is there white in there? I thought maybe there's something wrong with it. I don't know what it is, but it helps really pack up the pigment. Definitely use a flat, dense shader brush to help really pick up the shimmers. And of course it helps if you foil your shadows. I've been using the Smashbox primer water, or else I use some Max Fix Plus. It really just helps amp out those glitters and the shimmers a lot. I've been using this a lot. I actually really love this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to say this is my favorite out of all of Huda's palettes, even the minis. This is my favorite. And I really, really do love this. I actually like these glitters. They're very nice. They pack a punch. They're gorgeous. The concealer is actually really cool. No matter what, you can't help it. You're going to get some glitter in there. Even with me trying to blow it out that way so I don't get it in, you're going to get some specks in there. It's kind of hard to not get it in a cream product, but all around I actually do really love this. But I do recommend picking it up during a sale time because I find that price to be more appropriate and fitting for this palette. But overall, I do love it. I do give it 2 thumbs up. And I'll probably have a Get Ready With Me when I do that. I'll probably use this palette and, you know, ColourPop foundations and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.